What's up, guys? Welcome to MTV Cribs, New York City, medium-sized apartment edition. Come on in. I know you guys have seen where I work. Now, I want to show you guys where I sleep. Seriously, this is where I sleep. Oh yeah! This is where I sleep. Super comfortable DLX mattress on top of our amazing apartment 2B bed frame. And as you can see in my apartment, I have art everywhere, and I name it usually based on where it is. This, called Above the Bed. Hallway abstract, over the DJ booth. And this one, which started out being called Over the TV, but I've since renamed it to Netflix and Chill because this actually is not a TV, this is just a Netflix machine. Thing one, thing two, amazing apartment 2B couch. And let me show you the closets. We got tons of closets, like this one. Lauren's closet, Lauren's closet, Lauren's closet, overflow kind of. Lauren's closet, and that's a drum roll. My closet!
What is this? A center for ants?
For everything that does not fit into Lauren's closet, she's got this dresser, this dresser, this dresser, and then this other. And then we have, of course, shoe overflow for the things that don't fit in the closets or anywhere else. Alright, well that pretty much sums it up. You know where I sleep, you know where all of Lauren's closets are, and you know how I name my artwork. I'm off to work. Thanks. Check you later, bye. I think we'll just keep that.